Okay, so we are in the Dodge Viper ACR right now, you guys, and we are going to check out a 1970 Dodge Charger. We're in downtown Tampa right now. Not too sure what the history is on it, but apparently it's an RT. No idea. We're just gonna go look at it. Let's go see what we find. All right, well, here she is. So it's 1970. It's got half a motor in it, or engine, but she's rough, boys. Pretty much every panel has a hole in it. There's a hole there, hole there. Torsion bars in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it is apparently an RT. So you can see there. But she's definitely rough. Lower valence need to be replaced. Front bumper's got dings in it. Check that out. That's pretty cool looking though. RT. Man, this thing's rough. So pretty much every piece of sheet metal, even the, I don't know if you guys can see that, the roof literally is holes right through it. It's all taped up over there. Hood's pretty beat. Here's inside. Needs floors. You can see right through to the ground. Here's the interior. And again, the roof is just cooked. So apparently it was a manual or automatic car and then maybe converted to manual, but it's missing the fender tag. And there's another big hole in the floor. It needs floor pans. Pretty cool interior, but she's pooched as well. I think I broke the door. And then yeah, the fender tag over there is missing. I don't know, I think so. I think you might have got lucky. Oh, you got it? And then yeah, there's a hole there. Oh, you got the magic touch, man.
I just know how to work.
Oh, look at this.
See the little star wheel on it.
Yeah, all holes through here. Does have the back glass and front glass. Yeah, there's Super B there. It's still rotted out though.
Yeah, it's got some rot, but that's too terrible. You know, pop the glass out.
And then, so all that, we can't open the trunk, so we don't know what's going on in there, but here's the back.
It's rough.
Back
I'm sure it
bumper
looks
might
just
be.
like the floorboards.
Yeah, exactly. So, hole.
Yeah, this will be all right.
Quarters are all rotted out. Huge hole here.
Ah, the little bundle.
Yeah.
Primer, man.
Exactly.
Get the roller out, clean her up.
Door skins, or pretty much probably the whole door. It almost looks like somebody at some point might have sectioned it in the way this is kind of rotted and coming apart.
Yeah, it could be, or this, I know factory they used to bundle this kind of section here. When they put the roof,
Yeah.
connected the roof to the top of the fence, 4 quarters.
And
That's
then
possible
check out the
factory, but then again, with the amount of bundle on the rest of the car.
RT. Whew. And then yeah, fender tag missing. What's the bottom look like here in the middle?
Or, you know, somebody did put another roof on it. That's why it rotted so goddamn bad.
Yeah. Yeah, even the frame's all rotted through right here.
Is the frame rotted under here?
Yeah. So here's a Super B. It's a lot cleaner, but not really my style. What do you guys think? You guys like the Super B? Let's check it out inside. Apparently the engine's locked up in this one. Somebody busted the window out for them. And there's inside. Definitely looks like a lot better shape. Back quarter's got a big old dent. I guess it did have a cover on it until it blew off. Yeah, Charger's more my style, but man, that thing's rough.
Let's get some rest in the hood.
There's a 383 there.
Yes, that's 383. See, this one I know, I verified this one.
All right, guys, so we're heading out of here. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. What would you pay for that 70 Charger? Might try to work something out with the owner. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but what would you pay? Let me know down below in the comments. I'd be curious to find out. But thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you on the next one.